Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Children, today we are going to see about Nationalism in India, Unit 2. In this Unit 2, we are going to see differing strands within the movement. The non-cooperation Khilafat began in January 1921. Various social groups participated in this movement, each with its own specific aspiration. All of them responded to call of Swaraj, but the term meant different things to different people. First, we are going to see how people saw the movement in towns. The movement started with the middle class participants in the cities. Thousands of students left the government schools. Headmasters and teachers resigned. Lawyers gave up their legal practices. Foreign goods were boycotted. Foreign clothes were burnt in huge bonfires. But this movement in the cities gradually slowed down for a variety of reasons. Khadi cloths were very costly, the poor were not able to buy them. Indian boycotted the British institutions like law courts and educational institutions, but alternative institutions did not come up. So people had to stop the boycott. That is why non-cooperation movements slowed down in towns and cities. The movement in the countryside. In Awadh, a peasant movement was organized by Baba Ramachandra. It was against landlords and talukdars. The reduction of rent and the abolition of Begar were their main demands. They formed Oath Kisan Sabha. Tribal movement. In Kodim Hills, the Andhra Pradesh, tribal started the movement under the leadership of Alluri Sitaram Raju. Tribals wanted to get back their traditional rights over forest. The methods followed by the tribals and peasants were against the Gandhian method of non-violence. They followed violent method of struggle. Alluri Sitarama Raju led a movement of the tribal people in the Kudimals, Andhra Pradesh. Many people considered him as an incarnation of God. They believed that he had many special powers. He supported Gandhi and asked his followers to wear khadi and stop drinking. But he organized an armed struggle against the British. The movement in the plantations. Workers in the plantation of Assam demanded the right to move freely in and out of the estates. They opposed the Inland Immigration Act of 1859, which took away the right to free movement. When they heard about the non-cooperation movement, they moved to their villages. They thought that Gandhi Raj was coming and everyone would be given land to in their villages. However, they were caught and brought back. Different people interrupted Swaraj in different ways. For people, it meant end of all sufferings and trouble. Slogans demanding Swatantra Bharat were emotionally relating to a pan-nation agitation.